Say na me buafu pa. Enra obi a friend, lady be friend, no me e di na wari ho nkomo. Na okeka asem bi na me kuna ise na me kuna ise na nia oka twa to okra ma me bufu ye kra me say me kuna nya romantic cry. And I mean, my cry, because he say, and I'm madam for way crass, say, and I'm madam for way crass, say, I'm me beside me. I don't know how, sir. I don't any romantic. Moi, she telenovela sana kumutim, and I'm modern some away organochroma. What is romantic? Bema or she in mass school. It's your own school fees or caught in my PTA or no any bema class were romantic. Bema wa high dine, SCMU, I'm a baby. I do theater more so much or no and a romantic. What are we doing to ourselves? And my husband is not romantic, and I is not that now didn't go forward compare with the SS or more common story at Chewa. And Calbemos are our papa, Calbons are when you have been papa, when I said, you didn't watch assembly, and a micro romantic, micro, then any romantic, or ye scatter table so. Who to me the big cojum, a codija, no adrian, a pebidi, was who couldn't romantic. Who got a kiss in a romantic, who got some Pamwa Gon Cran a romantic shake. Bema bi owa ne ho de obetumi ayo no obeye bia ba na obeja ho wansi de kroma bi wonni mu mema awo ma ja wagu ma bi so mo hu na mani Ghana kroma na mo na mo say mi kunu nya romantic e depend granny romantic. What do you understand? A romantic man is a responsible man. A romantic man is a respectable man. A romantic man is a man who adores you and takes care of you. What to hodi sa romance ni flowers na bedi, chocolate na bedi. She mama yenya sankwa system na Ghana my na yedi o Ghana a chef from sana akoyetim. Marriage is serious business. It's not about this series you watch on TV which have influenced the reality of what marriage is. You have a responsible man at home. You have a man who takes care of your children. You have a man who respects you. A man who is God-fearing. And just because he cannot hold you and kiss you and do certain things like you see in the movies, he says he's not romantic. When the uncle says, "Obi obe friend Mr. Joy Wilson, me couldn't romantic be obe someone make catch." I'm tired of this new nonsense that is gradually creeping into our marital life. Onye romantic. Kwahwe be ma bi. Akoto shada wa shama ne ho afa ni yire ne manwu nyina tete ukunu tonto mapama me da se kra wonka because we say wanto GTB wonya akwasesem na abehu e de ba ni romantic munya san kwasesem ketenkete na mudi no na mo nso mu kunu mu na mo mompa ya mo na ma complain sana me kunu ti say e na me kunu ai say me enkosi da ben wo fi complain bibi asesa nka asesa oba konkoto do anyi bompa ya ma ukunu na wo kunu why wo kunu pa why Munya sa kwasa san ketenkete na mudi say mikru nyaroma. What is romantic? What is romantic? Wakoto rubber flowers no dia bro no wanyi scam anfa wo fufu bia ndia wo behu manja san kwasa sem mo fa ncheme na mi buafu sa mikru nya romantic na ya ma bibia ye. Thank you so much for watching. A friend Joy Wilson. You be send share.